Namaskar. I am Diganta Kumar Roy from Guwahati, Assam. This SD bike was bought by my father in the year 1985. He had maintained it very well. After its expiry, I am continuing maintaining this SD motorcycle and it is in good running condition. ESG 250 CL2 model, manufacturer of 1985. This is the manufacturing seal.
Hello guys, this is Deepak Antal from Delhi. I'm a proud owner of a Yazdi Road King 1995 CDI model. And these bikes are actually the passion that I have within me, and there are so many guys in Delhi which has actually given me the guidance to own one. Actually, the Yazdi has been in my family since I was a kid. I remember going to school on a Java tank switch, 1962 model it was. My dad used to own that, and I always wanted to buy one for myself. No matter what you buy, but if it is not a Yazdi, then it's not actually worth the money or the effort that you are spending. So this is what my dad told me, and I'm following the same policy. I'm a die-hard fan of these bikes, and I love to own one, and I'll keep on loving them till the day I'm alive. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Varun Ananthan. Myself and my brother Sriram, we inherit this Java from our father, Mr. Ananthan. My dad bought this bike in 1967. It's an interesting story how he bought it. He had an employment offer from University of Madras, and he went to his father and said, only if you buy me a Java will I join this work, otherwise I'll be jobless. My grandfather did not buy it for about a month or so, and then he decided to fulfill his son's wish. He bought him the Java. My dad bought the Java for about 3,500 rupees. And from that moment on, the day that he went to his office in this very bike, they have been inseparable. May it be the family or the friends, they all recollect my father, or fond memories of my father are with this bike. There is no conversation where they did not mention about this bike, and they remember sitting in the tank or riding with my dad in this bike, and it's been a great experience talking to all of them and about the bike. My father went to his wedding in this bike. This bike accompanied me to my wedding, and so did my brother also arrive at his wedding in this bike. I've been riding on this bike since 2 months old. The first ride alone or single was on 10th August 1996, where my dad assured to let me ride the bike when I'm 13 years old. And from then on, my bond with the bike has been very unique. Right? I think this bike is special for all of us. I've made a lot of friends with this bike, maybe in the club or on the road while riding, strangers becoming friends, or even when I have traveled somewhere else. I've made a lot of friends who have helped me, guided me, given me their bikes, and it's been a great experience since then.
Myself Manu, hope everyone are doing good, back home safe. And this is my Java, 1970 model Java. This belongs to my grandfather, Vasudev Murthy. And I've been riding this bike from past 2007 till date. And back in 2000, my grandfather passed away. From 2000 till 2007, this bike was not being used, not been touched or cleaned. It was in a very bad situation, and those was my college days, and I never used to ride a bike. I don't know how to ride a bike, though I was not a bike enthusiast, or I don't like to travel and things like that. But one fine day I thought, why don't I take this bike out and let me see how it is, because something made me connect towards this machine, and decided to take this bike out. And I approached my grandparents. I asked them, I want to use this bike. Could you help me get this bike fixed and things like that? So they were strictly saying no for it. They really don't want me to use this bike for some reason, but they were not ready to tell that. And but still, the arguments went on months together. They planned to sell this bike, and I wasn't aware of it. One fine day, I just happened to come back from college a bit early, and I see someone knocking at the door. I went and I happened to find out the mechanic has stepped by to pick this vehicle for 3,500. I borrowed the same money of 3,500 from them because those days I wasn't working, so I didn't have any kind of money where I can earn. So I collected 3,500. I went in search of the same mechanic, found him, and asked him to fix his bike. And yeah, I got it fixed. It took nearly like 2 weeks to get this bike back in shape.